If you play this game and score at least 15 points under 30 seconds, then you will get 30 coins and 1 diamond. Similarly, if you play this game and score at least 100 points, then again you will get 30 points and 1 diamond. And not only this, here you can also earn money by watching videos, spinning the lucky wheel, playing quizzes, participating in the surveys and completing many more quick doable tasks. And the good thing is that this app is available all over the world. No matter which country you are from, you can easily access this app. So don't miss this outstanding money earning app. But before going ahead, please subscribe to our channel and also join my Telegram channel to stay updated with all these things. Simply come to this app and click on the swipe to start button. Now you can register through Google or email. We will provide the link of this app in the description box or in the pinned comment, so don't worry about it. But before clicking on the link, watch this entire video so that you do not miss any information about it. After registering on this app, you can easily play all these games and earn money easily. For example, let's choose this game. So simply click on it. And here you can see that you will have to score at least 100 points to win this reward. So for this, click on the play button. Now you can play this simple game. And the good thing is that you can play this game unlimited times and earn many more coins. Similarly, the same process is applicable for other games. And all these games are very easy. You can easily achieve that score. Now let us tell you about other earning features of this app. So for this, simply click on this icon. And now you can see this app also rewards you for daily login and inviting other friends. To earn coins by watching videos and spinning the lucky wheel, simply scroll down and here you can see this option. And again, the good thing is that you can also spin this wheel and watch this ad unlimited times. You can also earn many more coins from here. And again, scroll down. If you play 20 games today, then you will get 100 extra coins. Here you can see the offer wall option. And according to me, this is the best option for earning coins in this app, because from here you can earn lots of coins by completing each offer. And for this, simply click on it. Now here you can select which type of offer you want to complete. For example, let's click on the offers option. You can see if you complete this general knowledge quiz with 100% accuracy, then you will get 950 coins. Similarly, if you complete this spin the lucky wheel and complete the logos quizzes, then you will get total 2450 coins, which is pretty good. You can also explore all other offers. Now click on the videos option, and here you can see if you watch these Fox videos, then you will get 125 coins, and if you watch these lab videos, then you will get 100 coins. This is a never-ending video, so you can watch this video unlimited times. You can also earn a lot of coins by participating in surveys after clicking on the surveys option. And now come back to this app and simply click on this icon. There are many withdrawal options available like PayPal, Bitcoin, Amazon and Google Play. You can withdraw your coins through any method. So now you go and start earning through this app. But don't forget to like this video and join my Telegram channel.